Here are the top 9 questions to ask when you're shopping around for HVAC specialists to work with. When shopping around for HVAC system or hiring a specialist, asking the right question will ensure you're getting the best service and value for your money. At Zip Mechanical, with 20 years of experience, we've seen it all.
We split these 9 questions into 3 categories: experience and qualification, system options and efficiency, and installation and service cost.
The first question to ask is, are you licensed, bonded, and insured? The reason to ask this is you want to ensure that they meet the legal and safety standards. The second question to ask is, how many years of experience do you have in HVAC installation and repair? Because experience matters for quality work. The next question is, do you have any reputable references or online reviews? The best companies should have customer feedback.
The fourth question we should ask is what size of HVAC system we should use for our home or business. This is because too big or too small of a system would just be a waste of energy and would cause issue in the long run.
Thank you for watching the video so far. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you'd like to work with us, visit our website. We serve the greater Seattle area and we specialize in all air systems for both residential and commercial. Now back to the video.
The next question we should ask is, what is the SEER rating of a system? It is because the higher the SEER rating, better the energy efficiency is. The next question to ask is, are there any rebates or tax credit for energy efficient options? It is because it can save you a lot of money, up to $2,600. Question number 7 is, what is included and excluded in the installation or repair quote? It is to make everything as transparent as possible. Question number 8 is, how long will the installation take so you know what to expect? The last question is, what type of warranty you offer for labor and equipment. You want to ask this question to know what kind of protection you have.
At Zip Mechanical, we offer 1 year for installation and 3 months for service on labor warranty. Parts and equipment will follow manufacturer warranty.
These are the 9 questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching today. We'll see you in the next video.